All right, welcome to another episode of the Dream League Baseball Dynasty, and we are in the home stretch. And as you can see, the Cottontails has pretty much won the Cloud Conference. And the one thing that we're looking at now is which teams is going to be up for getting the boot out of the league. As you can see, you got the Cats, the Cornfeds, the Dogs, and the Blue Whales. And we're looking at their records. It's looking kind of tight for these teams. I think they all have games remaining. Not really sure. Let me see, 18, 19, yeah. The Cats got a game left. Pearl City got a game left. So, yeah, it's just trying to figure that out. Now, as you see, right here in the Sky Conference, it's a little more tighter, as you got a bunch of teams at the top that still has a shot at winning the conference with a few more games to go. And the main thing is trying to figure out which of these two teams is going to be fighting to see if they're going to get the boot. Anyway, New Brunswick, knowing that they need this win, is getting ready to take on the Birds. And taking a quick look at some of the key players. I gotta work on that visual. Anyway, we're getting ready to see if the Bears can at least tie their record with the Eagles, who's sitting at the top. Both these teams are original teams from that I did in Mega Baseball 2, and was able to move them over to Mega Baseball 3. And it comes early, and he's gonna walk it. Now here comes Thunder. Oh, whew, that should have been a double play. And then we got Mr. Hammer coming up. Got a steal going, and he's safe. And then get a base hit here. And look like we got a run scoring. And the Birds is on the board. The Birds from the Bahamas. And we got the play here. And the double play there. So here comes the Bears. And inning number 2. And we got to starting off with a walk. And then we got Marshall coming up here. And he's going to walk. There's 2 walks, man. And then we got Glass Jaw coming up. And he's going to walk. He's going to walk. Who is the pitcher? Good coming up here with a basic loader full of walks. And Marks is struggling. And we got an infield fly. And we got out number 1. Basic loader. Here comes Chopper West. And we got a base hit. 1 run is gonna score. Can we get another? Yeah, and the Bears is now up 2-1. Wells coming up. Got a steal going, but it's a walk. Now Hastings coming up. Got 1 home run this whole season. And out, but we're gonna get a sacrifice run right there. And so it's 3-1. And now here comes Stillwater batting 325. Got a little too much air under that one. As he is able to catch it at the warning track. Now we're going to the bottom of the second. Banner comes up and he's going to walk. And comes Mr. Miller. Oh, and right down the middle, Hastings was able to get it back into the shortstop. And here comes Billy. Billy with a hit. And looks like he got a little bit too much air under that one. And that's out number 1. But a sacrifice run. He would run over to third base. Sacrifice hit, excuse me. And the out. The runner is going to see if he can get there. Yep. And he's there and safe at second. So we got a sacrifice on that one. And then we get the strikeout right there. And so the Bears are up again. Here comes Bo seriously. And he gets a base hit. Starting his inning off. And then now we got Armstrong, JC. And a wild pitch there. Gonna move Bo over to second. And we got the strikeout right there. Mr. Dirt Marshall. Right between the legs of the pitcher. The shortstop was able to get him. Glad y'all coming up with a man on third. Can he run him in? No, gotta walk. Yeah, I know you having a rough day, pitcher. So Mr. Gould here. Got a steal on. And he got it. And he strikes out. Boom. I like it when they break the bat, man. It's funny. So Early is gonna start off this inning. And he's out. Caught by the second baseman. Mr. Thunder coming up. And too much air under this one. And we got the out. And we got the walk. And the man come here and all the way to the warning track. Thought he was gonna go over. No. No. No, I don't. And we got to start off with a strikeout here. We got the out there. Alright, so we got Hastings coming up. And he gets a base hit in this 3-2 ball game. Stillwater. Got a steal going. And another save. They be stealing bases in this game. That was a nice hit. And we got a man running for home. And I think he's going to make it. It's 4-2. And the Bear. I have no Bear sound effect. Both seriously coming up. And wow, he gets a nice hit. Oh, he gets a nice hit. And it's out of here. Way to go, Bo, with the hit. Trying to get the Bears to the playoff or the championship. An 8th home run of the season. 22nd RBI. Not bad, Bo. Armstrong gets a nice hit there. They get a base hit. And here comes Marshall. 0 for 1 in this one. Make it 0 for 2 as he strikes out at a very slow pitch. And here comes Hulk. gonna drop? Is it gonna drop? Yeah, it's dropped. It's got a base hit. Miller coming up. Joe Miller. Miller time. Nope, not this time. Double play. And then here comes Billy the Kid. And he's out. So we're going into the top of the field. This game is moving on. Glass Joe. And he walks. And base hit. Man on first, man on second. And Chopper West. And he's out. Caught by Miller. And here comes Jolly Wells. Or did I say it right? Uh-oh. And double play. I want to say one thing about this game. You get a lot of double plays in this one. Pullman's up. And he's going to walk it. And he got a handshake. And he's going to walk it. Man on first, man on second. Here comes early. Now we're changing up pitches now. And the bases are loaded. And here comes Spooky Thunder. And not a good hit here. Got the first out. Base is still loaded. And here comes the hammer. Hammer time. Out number one. Out number two. That ends it at a 6-2 inning. And we end up top of the sixth, I believe. We'll start off with the out there. And here comes Stillwater. He's 1 for 3. And Hammer with the catch, and then we're going to toss him out at first. Oh, seriously, 2 for 3. Oh, nice play by the Hammer. That's out number 3. Now we're going to the bottom of the 6th. And overtake. It didn't look like he really wanted that one. He's out right there. From the Hulk, 1 for 1. And he wasn't even sure about if he wanted to hit that one. And he's out. Miller, 1 for 2. Got him a single. And he strikes out. Oh, man. So here comes the top of 7. Armstrong coming up. And that's 1 up, 1 down. Marshall coming up. He is 0 for 2. Struggling. Make that 0 for 3. Now he should have stayed on the bus. Glass Joe coming up. He got 3 walks. And he finally put his bat on the ball, but it's an out. So we at the bottom of the spin. Billy coming up. They changing pitches. And we got out number 1. Pullman coming up. Got a walk, a RBI. Whoa, and he got a hit. And handshake coming up, and he walked. Early is up, 0 for 1, 2 walks. Can it drop? I don't think so. Out number 2. Now Thunder. all through the night. But he's out. And that'll do it as New Brunswick wins the game, ties their record up with the top of the standings in the Sky Conference. Now we just have to see how all the tiebreakers are gonna work itself out. Pretty good job there, Bears. Proud of. Like hanging it. Glass jaw both seriously. So that's it. I want to thank you for checking us out, and we'll catch you in the next game, the doubleheader. And we'll see you then. Till then, you have a good one.